setup day one. All right, before we get started here, let me give you guys a little run through of what I'm thinking. Look at this, guys. When you see this video, you'll already have seen these. So you will know what these are from the previous video. If you haven't watched it, make sure to go back and watch the other video. These are gonna be awesome. But my entire cemetery this year is gonna be right here. This side of the yard will just be trick or treat. So there's gonna be a white picket fence that goes like a panel there, all the way across, like one panel up. All the ghosts from trick or treat, the wife that blows out the pumpkin, orange lights all in the house, Sam projection in the window. Got to figure out another cool Sam display here, another cool Sam display here. I'm thinking here's gonna be the room where Sam lights the flaming pumpkin and has all the writing on the wall. All right, guys, so sorry for the fan, but it's super hot already. This is a mess. Before I even start putting up a wall, I really need to clean this up because I don't want to work in the chaos. So let's do it. All right, so much better. I've got some workbench space to, if I need to repair something or I need to put something down, it doesn't get lost in the clutter. So now we can get to work. All right, guys, so, you know, it's funny, I was pulling out all these walls. I think I made this wall years and years ago, and I think I only used it one time, and I never pull it out of storage, but it's pretty freaking cool. So this year I'm gonna use it because of the cemetery backdrop. So it's gonna be like, so I'm gonna have a wall there. So here's what I got so far. I just have this corner wall up. So I wanted to start here in the corner to get this really fortified as kind of like the base, right? I've started, the year that I did Sleepy Hollow, I started on the wrong end, and then I ended up with not the right amount of space to be able to utilize all that. So this time I learned from that. I'm gonna start from here, and I know that goes all the way to the edge. And then if I need to adjust on this end, it's much easier than trying to make it fit by the sidewalk. So I have a stake in the ground here. I have 2 braces on the back here staked in, 2 stakes screwed in at the base there, and then I did a brace across the top. So it's pretty sturdy. And then as I keep adding walls, I'll continue to fortify this thing really nice. And so this faces the street, which is a little different than before, right? You've never been able to see just like a black backside of a wall before on my display. It always looks pretty realistic. I'm gonna put another panel here that will also be black. I'm thinking about doing a mural on there that says trick or treat from the movie. So I don't know, we'll see. Not sure, still working on it. Okay, people, it's kind of slow going. Sun is already killing me over here. It's still pretty early. All right, so I showed you that. I've only added one more wall, and quite a bit of time has passed. I had to actually repair this wall. It did not have the board, for whatever reason, it didn't have that bottom brace. So I had to go get a 1x1, cut it to length, screw it in, and then all this facing, for whatever reason, on this one was coming off. So I had to add those foam anchors and all that goodness. Added this brace, added a foot brace. And this is pretty damn sturdy. It's not gonna go too go anywhere. And then now that I've got this cross wall and that wall, it's gonna be much harder for the wind to push this thing down. So look, it's looking pretty good. So you're gonna see those two walls there now. So you'll have the trick or treat display over here with the ghosts and the wife and all that, the sand projection in the window, all the orange lights. So the house will be trick or treat, and then my cemetery will be over here, standalone. And of course, I'm gonna have the trick or treaters inside there from the movie, or some of them. And I was thinking about doing a mural on this that says "Trick or Treat" on the back side. That might be kind of fun. Or I'll add some camouflage netting to it, and some tree branches, and make it look overgrown. I can go either way. But I think this is gonna be really fun to have the cemetery enclosed here, all tight, super crammed in. It's gonna be like, I'm kind of excited about this, doing it this new way here, to see what detail I could fit in here. So I don't know how many more walls I'm gonna get up today. It's already hot. I haven't had breakfast. This might be it. This might be the end of the day for the vlog. But I'm liking it. You know what? Let's give me my screenshot there. How about that? Let's take a picture. Nice. All right, guys. If this is the end, get your haunt on. If it's not, well, I'll show you more later. Okay, people, added one more wall. So I think that will be my stopping point for today. It's Saturday. I could do more tomorrow. My goal is maybe by the weekend to have the walls all the way up, which will include the mausoleum, which will be going, I believe, there. I mean, I don't know, it might be cool to have it in here somewhere and kind of bump out. That way this isn't just straight across, to give it some dimension. That might be cool too. So, all right, y'all let me know if I upload this before I do it. No promises. All right, guys, get your haunt on. What are you doing?
What?
Guys, there's a wild minion in the house.